Hello, I am Dr. Nidhi Gupta, Assistant Professor in English, Government GNA PG College, Bhatapara. Today I am going to tell you about fable, which is in the syllabus of the class BA Part 3, subject English Literature, Paper 1, Indian Writing in English. Fable. The word fable is derived from the Latin word fibula, which means a story, and a derivative of the word fairy, which means to speak. Fable is a short fictional story which imparts a moral lesson by using animals as characters and sometimes objects that are given anthropomorphic qualities to make them think and act like humans. The writer of the fables is called fabulist. Many fables have been retold in various versions. Now we discuss some characteristics of a fable. A fable contains the moral lesson. A fable can be in prose or poetry. A fable may end with some maxim or pithy saying as a moral lesson. Generally, the children are the target audience or readers of a fable. Fables teach the children that good actions are finally rewarded and bad actions punished. Fables often use animals and sometimes objects as characters. Fables teach the value of culture. Fables make the readers realize human follies and vanity of human wishes. Fables spread more by oral transmission than by literary anthologies. Generally, a fable may not be based on facts. A fable contains the didactic lesson, just as the story Tortoise and the Hare ends with the maxim slow and steady wins the race. Generally, the people think that a fable is a parable, but there is a difference. Fable and parable both are different. Like fable, a parable is also a brief moral story in prose or verse, but the difference between the two lies in that a fable uses animals, plants, inanimate objects, and forces of nature as characters that assume speech, thinking, and other parts of human beings, while a parable uses human characters. We take certain examples of fables: Aesop's fables, George Orwell's Animal Farm, Vishnu Sharma's Panchtantra stories, Jatak tales, the Hitopdeshaha. Aesop's fables include very popular stories: The Crow and the Pitcher, The Tortoise and the Hare, The Lion and the Mouse, and so on. George Orwell's novel Animal Farm is one of the best examples of fables in the present context. The main characters in the novel are animals, but they represent different persons during Russian Revolution. India has a rich tradition of fables. The fables in India have a mixed cast of humans and animals. In the fables of India, the man is not superior to animals. The best examples of fables in India is the stories of Panchtantra by Vishnu Sharma. These stories include ancient stories of animals in Sanskrit. The Hitopdesa are also Sanskrit tales. Jatak tales are concerned with the previous birth of Gautam Buddha in both human and animal form. These are the web sources which I have used. Now I would like to discuss some possible questions that are generally asked in question paper. Write a short note on fable. Or what is fable? Write its characteristics. Or commenting on fable, tell the difference between a fable and parable. Or Comment on fable and give some examples of fable and like this. Thank you.